So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create images with Google Gemini. So first of all, download the app. After that, you can just open it up. Once you've opened the app up, you can see this will be your chat. You can add plus, you can research, and you can use it as a canvas. Now to create images or for Gemini to create images, to generate it, you will need to tell it to do so. So if you say create an image of a happy dog, you can just go ahead and click this plus sign and it will be starting to generate an image. So try to be as specific as you can for it to create something. So right now it's generating an image. This might take a while, and you can see here's an image of a happy dog. So through here it's just generated an image. It's a random dog, so if you don't like it, just make sure to be as specific as you can when you try to describe an image, since it's not going to be that easy. This is not, for example, a dog that I had in mind when I typed it out, but it's just some dog that AI has created. And it says here, would you like me to generate another image? You can say yes, and then it will ask you for prompts. So try to be as specific and use as vivid descriptions as you can, so the job that your Gemini AI assistant does is even better. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Google Gemini or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.